Welcome to Gadgets, Gimmicks and Tech. Now in the last video, which if you missed you can see by going here, we asked you if you could possibly identify this quad bike over here. Well, we've progressed since then. You may see that there's all this lovely now relatively clean bodywork which needs a bit of attention, and we'll be coming on to that in another video. But we have had a bit of luck with this. I did say in the last video that the starter motor was faulty and that I had fixed it. Well, partially true. I got it going to a point, but then it just blew again and it absolutely stunk. And the reason is the actual wiring had broken and burnt out, and you can see that quite clearly here now. But this led me on to finding a manufacturer of the starter motor. From there I found their website, went to the website and managed to find the actual starter motor, and it told me what engine this particular starter motor was used on. And it turns out it's a Chinese engine, a GY6, which is a very popular, cheap engine, and it comes in various forms: 50cc, 125cc and 150cc. It's also automatic. I think we've got the 125cc version, which, as you can see down here, is it from one side, but also it enabled me to go and buy a brand new starter motor, which I've got here, which was less than £14 delivered. So once I'd got that, I was able to go further. We had no electronics for this at all. Now the interesting thing is I went and bought a new spark plug, obviously. I bought a new coil and cap for the whole thing. But the best bit about this is now I have got the correct CDI for it, which is just here. I did get another one, this one, but it wasn't a GY6 CDI. I watched a lot of other videos on YouTube and they said yes, you know, any CDI will do. It didn't, it doesn't. But let me show you. Let's have a look here. Turn it on there. There's a safety cutout on the left hand brake, but how about that? And I've also got the brake lights working now. I ordered an LED brake light, so that works. I also wired in a new cutout switch, and that works. So it's all a bit messy around here at the moment, but we're getting there. And I did get to go out on it. New wing mirrors. I've got some new fog lights ordered, because if you have a look over here, crashing around, these are not the brightest things in the shop, and I'm going to replace those with some nice 24 watt LED ones. But it works. Now in the next video I'm going to show you, or tell you, what I did to get the whole thing going. There's a new battery as well. That's another story. That's the wrong physical size. It's the same model number as the one that was in it originally, but it's too big, so I'm going to have to make a new battery compartment. But as I say, in the next video I'll be going through it, showing you what I did to get it going. But it works. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe. We've got some more projects. There's another one of these pocket bikes over there that's in bits. This one I got the other day for a bit of fun. I don't like bikes at all myself, but I thought I'd have a go at it. I've got that going as well now. So we're doing quite well. We've still got the Kawasaki to finish, or even start on. I haven't started on that yet. The Kawasaki quad bike, but I'm not going to keep that one. I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm keeping this one because this does move, and it moves fairly well. But for now, thanks for watching.